Good morning everybody, and this is your Euro USD setups for today. So I think really going on here, the indexes on Friday got going quite handsomely, but that is driven by tech stocks more than anything else. It's driven by noise around artificial intelligence, and the dollar is still battling with when interest rate cuts will come into effect. So yeah, we're still very much stuck in this range. And remember what I said last week is double bottom brewing, engulfing, but that is the neckline at 109.075. So we need to get above it, build a base before we can consider this a double bottom. At the moment, this is just a consolidation area. I'm a bit reluctant to chase shorts here, and I'll show you now why on the lower time frames. We are below the moving averages, granted. We are also sort of just hovering around the 150 EMA, and problem is we've got diversions here. So we've got clear double bottom with diversion. So I would be a little bit reluctant to be chasing short in this zone. Now, it becomes clearer as you go down through the time frames. So the first thing is on the 3 hour. Have a look at the oscillators here, separated to the top pointing, which is indicating a move up, but we are below the moving averages, so you treat that as a retracement, and we are forming an inside bar here, but we need to get above this 109.075. We need to break above quite handsomely and then come back and test it. So I would almost argue I want to hit 109.296, which is the 150 EMA as well. Come back, build a base here, and then that would be the entry to the upside, which would be a range trade. And that range trade, or range break trade should I say, that's 628 points, and you will find probably a pin bar or something. Yeah, so that's where I would target. I would be targeting that area there, which is 109.653. Now, get down to the lower time frame. Don't forget to hit that like button for us. Every bit of interaction does help. And key thing here at the moment on the hour is moving average crossover, and we're now looking like we're breaking through the 150. But again, you can see why you want to move up and then come back and build a base. That's just going to give you the confidence you need to take the trade. At the moment, lots of tails from Friday, so lots of confusion. And this is day 4, or we're in day 5 now, of what could be the rounding bottom, which is also the double bottom here. So nothing's confirmed yet. I think that's the bottom line. So what you'd be waiting for is the break still. So staying away from the dollar until we see the break. Now if you look at the 15-minute from Friday, look at how chaotic this was in amongst the moving averages all day, pretty much until late in the session before we really got going. So you can, if you've got time on the 5-minute, 15-minute charts, watch this environment and see if you can pick up a long off 108.929, or even a little bit higher up here, and that would be at gap close at 108.965. You're looking, so long as you keep making higher lows, then this is marching towards this 109.075 for a break. But for me, I would be watching this on the hour. I want to see an hourly break above the neckline here at 109.075. I want to see an hourly move above, and I want to see an hourly pullback, and I want to see these oscillators ease off a bit and maybe just separate a little bit before looking for a upside target of 109.296. So that's kind of my view on the dollar at the moment. So it is looking interesting. I am favoring the upside at the moment, but we just want confirmation before we jump in on it. Otherwise, this could just end up to be the top of the range and we drop all the way back down to the bottom of the range. and I have no interest in losing 500 points because it's too much of a big loss for me anyway. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.